In this short video, we'll learn how to quickly and easily remove the background from any photo using the Capcut editing app. Capcut offers powerful new tools that allow you to cut out an object or person from a photo and remove the background in just seconds, all for free. First, ensure your Capcut app is updated to the latest version, then open it. Once inside, tap on the View All button on the Explore page to access a variety of tools. From there, search for the Background Remover tool and select it. You'll see a preview of how your photo looks before and after removing the background. Tap Try It Now to open your gallery and choose the photo you want to edit. Once imported, the app will automatically analyze the image and highlight the subject in green, keeping that part of the photo while removing the rest. If needed, you can use the Invert button to preview the final result. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, you can manually adjust it using the Brush and Eraser tools. When you're satisfied with the selection, tap the check mark, then export your edited image using the button in the top right corner. Your photo will be saved with a transparent background. For more Capcut tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.